Assalamu alaikum and hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Farwat's Kitchen. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. In this video I will show you how to make very soft scones. So without much further ado, let's get into the video. And also there's another video of scones of a different scones recipe here in my YouTube channel. I will put the link in the description box down below. So the ingredients are 3 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour. You will also add 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon yeast, instant yeast, 2 tablespoons of butter, Blue Band, 1 egg, and milk. Add milk gradually as you keep on mixing. So first you'll start by mixing the ingredient that you added at the center. And after you are done mixing the ingredients at the center, you'll now combine all the flour. You'll combine all the flour together as you keep on adding milk. So you'll keep on adding milk until all the flour comes together and you get a very fine dough. So you'll keep on adding milk as you keep on kneading until you get a fine dough, and the total amount of milk is 1 1/3 cup. And it's much better if you use measuring cups to get the exact measurement. As you can see, the dough is very soft. Ensure your dough is softer than that of chapati. And when you find the dough very sticky and hard to knead, then apply some butter on your hand and then continue kneading. As you can see, the dough is ready. Now cover it up and leave it to rise for around 1 hour, or you will leave it until it has very well risen. And then prepare your baking tray by brushing some oil on top of the greaseproof paper and also at the baking tray. So you will also apply some oil on the baking tray so that the scones do not stick and you get an easy time while removing them after they are baked. As you can see, the dough has risen. You will knead it again for around 1 minute and then start making scones. To get the same size of scones, you can measure your scones around 50 grams, but it will depend with the size that you want, if you want bigger or smaller. But as for me, I measured 50 grams. So you can either measure them or you can just estimate without measuring. And after you're done making the scones, you will leave them to rise. You will cover them up and leave them to rise before baking them. As you can see, the scones have risen. Now you will apply some milk on top. And then bake them for around 180 degrees Celsius for around 30 minutes. And after that, your scones will be done. As you can see, the scones are done. You will apply some butter on top, and you can serve these scones with either tea or any stew that you like, or you can serve them with anything that catches your fancy. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and also do not forget to follow me on Instagram at Farwat's Kitchen. And if you want to watch this video in Swahili, then I will put the link in the description box. As you can see, the scones is very soft. So if you like this recipe or if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also share it with your friends, family, and whoever you will be able to share it with.